So Shane, you've won this award last year. Does it feel any different receiving it this year?
Oh, not really. No, it's a huge honour to be able to win an award like this. So last year was my first time I'd ever got up on the stage. So to win an Australian award. So it's always really nice to be able to know that you've been able to perform throughout the year, and your peers and the media and the umpires have voted for you. So it's really nice to be able to, I suppose, have a solid year.
And how have you felt about your performance, and what's been your ODI highlight of the year?
My one-day cricket's been solid. It's been my career, no doubt, was my highlight was no doubt the 161 at the MCG in the first game. That was something that you always dream about, playing in innings like that. So to be able to do that at that time was very special. So that was easily the highlight. But it's been a nice, solid year for me to be able to continue to play as much cricket as I have is probably the biggest thing that I've been able to achieve.
Which is really the perfect preparation heading into the One Day World Cup, feeling so good about your cricket and obviously, being awarded for it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's always nice to get that recognition. And as a team, we're starting to really find some improvement in our one-day game in a perfect time leading to the World Cup. So let's hope we can continue to bring it all together for that amazing tournament.